everybody, this is XP with XPsYTgarage. Today we're replacing throttle position sensor on a 2007 Honda Accord. So first we're going to remove the connector from the sensor. There's a little push tab right here. It's a little hard to see with my glove, but basically right there. You're going to push that down as you remove the connector. Going to wiggle it. That off of there. Sometimes it's a lot harder than that. Just take your time. 10mm socket, about a 4-inch extension. That's a quarter drive ratchet. Let's see, where's the other one? There's one here. It's on it. The hex head is on the other side of the connector. This takes a while with this little combination wrench. Probably should have grabbed my little ratcheting box wrench. Let's see, there's another one. Let's see if they're the same, same height, or length rather. And let's see, we've got one more on the back here up against the firewall. That should be fun. We'll use this setup again. Use on the chop, see if that'll work. There you go. Yeah, that's the last one. There's that. Now it's ready to come out. And let's see, is there something holding it? Nope. So there it is. Now, what do we need? Maybe a 12? It's got a 12mm wrench here. And let's see, that's the right size. Yep. So be careful you don't, oh, this one's no good anyway, but when you're putting in the new one, just there you go. It's got that little QC paint on it. And don't let this this sheath rotate on you. Just hang on to it over here and just keep this straight, as straight as you can. Right. So on this side, we've got this I don't know what the term is for it, but this little lead plug. So that comes out. All right, so let's make sure we've got the right part. It looks like the same, or similar. And then we've got 2 more fasteners on the bottom that hold the sensor to this base plate. And let's see how tight they put these in. Yep. Good and tight. Let's see, let's try it this way. There we go. And now we use this guy here. Let's just put this aside here. And put this one in here. I'm going to take these little short fasteners here. And then snug it up. Let's try holding it from here so we don't hurt the new sensor. There we go. Okay, looks like we're ready to go back in. And let's see here. There's this spot here for the cable plug. Let's see, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Just pull open here. There. And then route it around this here, around the pulley. Get this back in here. Hand tighten this. And you're hand tightening it before you get it too tight. Just don't want to torque this sheath here too much, so I'm gonna get it kind of in place here. Get it in place and then tighten it. I use this little combination wrench. Let's see, make sure that's in there good. And here comes the tedious part. It's a little hard to torque in here. Let's try it. There we go. These 4 fasteners, all right, looks like 5. 3 are from the bottom, these long ones. And then the 2 short ones on the top, they go here. So that's what it looks like from the top. So these 2 are coming in from the top, and these 3 here with this little welded nut here are gonna come in through the bottom. And putting on the driver's side fastener from underneath. And we have this fastener on the front here, front of the sensor. Looks like I need another joint in my hand. And then let's see the last one from underneath. This one, let's see, where is that? That's on the back of the sensor up against the firewall. There you go. I'm just going to tighten them up, torque them up. Just going to just socket. Actually, I'm going to hold off torquing this. Might make it harder to tighten up the other 2. And these are in a little more difficult spot. Just going to wiggle this whole thing, whole assembly, a little bit. See how it's got some movement there. So let's see here. Looks like it's that one in the back. Okay, looks like that's as tight as I'm gonna get it. Let's throw the socket on there. The ratchet rather. And start holding this because it's on these, it's sitting on some isolating grommets, so hold this whole assembly. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we need this 10 combination wrench for this front one. So ratchet's not fitting in there. So if you have a ratcheting box end wrench, that would probably save you some time and effort. But we'll do it the old-fashioned way here. Even though it's taken forever. Let's see, this one in the back. I should be able to use the ratchet here. If I remember right. Yep. Okay, then we'll leave this easy one for last. Yep. And put in this little protective shield. Let's see here. Yep. And again. And then we've got the last two, these little shorties. There's one, there's two. Real speed, ladies and gentlemen. Not editing. I think we can maybe get it with this. Let's see. Okay. Is that? There's the old sensor connector. There you go. That's in. Looks like we're all set. Hope this video helped. If it did help you, like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions.